Strategy number one. This is the simplest strategy to avoid unnecessary estate taxes. So this is just simply gifting. This is, let's say it's December. Well, you wouldn't want to wait till December of 2025, but let's say we're getting close to that January 1st, 2026 cliff when the estate tax exemption is going to drop from where it currently is, around 12.92 million per person. It's going to go down by 50%. So what do? Well, let's say you were okay to, let's say you have a $12.92 million estate. This is Susan. Let's imagine her estate is exactly worth $12.92 million. If she gives away all $12.92 million to her kids before December 31st, 2025, zero estate taxes, right? She gave it all away. She used up her exemption, tells the IRS, I gave away $12.92 million. I used up my $12.92 million exemption. It's all protected. If she waits though, and she passes away, doesn't give anything away, and passes away on January 2nd, 2026, and the exemption drops, her estate would face a $2.37 million estate tax bill. So strategy one is you just give money away before the deadline. And it is use it or lose it, by the way. If you don't you take advantage of all of it, you get no benefit. So let's go back to that same example. Susan has an estate worth $12.92 million. Let's say she says, well, I don't want to give away everything. I want to hold on to some assets. She gives away $7 million before the exemption drops. Okay, well, let's say she gives away $7 million. She didn't use up all that $12.92 million. December 31st passes, it's 2026. She thinks, oh, I only used $7 million of the $12.92 million. I should still have some left, right? Wrong. If the exemption drops to $6 or $7 million a person, the IRS doesn't care if you didn't use any of the $12.92 million. They just look at the total you already gave and they apply it to the new limit. So if she gave $7 million or less and the exemption $7 million or less, she got zero net benefit because the rest of her estate's exposed to estate taxes. And we do have to be aware, by the way, of capital gains taxes. If you give away assets while you're alive, your kids don't benefit from a stepped up basis when you pass away. So this is a very simplistic example, but just to make the point that it's a use it or lose it type of thing. If you don't take advantage of the full exemption before it drops, it's not like you can use the leftover amount you didn't take advantage of before and apply it later. It's use it or lose it. So you can contact us at gilfix.com, 650-493-8070. I hope everybody's staying safe, sane, and healthy.